Hi class, today I'd like to talk to you about the Multimedia Library. I know the e-text has been a problem for some of us. This is a way to get around that. If you go into the Multimedia Library, then you can select what chapter and what section. So I'll select Chapter 2, Section 1, and then there's all sorts of multimedia options. I'll just do Select All. Then you scroll down and notice there's a link to the textbook here that you can follow. It'll take a moment for the textbook to come up. There's also videos, different concept videos, and then there's also, let me see if that window came up. Here it comes. So here's the e-text for you. Just another way to get to it. Sorry, the format's a little bit weird. Okay. And get rid of this. Okay, the other thing I wanted to show you is the PowerPoint. So if you select PowerPoint, you're going to get something like this. And this PowerPoint will go through the whole section, relations and functions. We'll give you objectives, definitions, examples. People have really liked this as a supplement to the videos or reading the textbook alone. So hopefully, if you think this could be useful, you now know where to find it. Alright, I hope this helps.